In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a channel to the conversations inbox in HubSpot. We'll walk through this step by step, using a team email inbox as the main example, and then I'll briefly explain how you can repeat the same process for other channels like chat or WhatsApp. First, log into your HubSpot account as you normally would. Once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the top toolbar and find the small gear icon. This is your settings area. Go ahead and click that. Inside the settings page, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the section called Tools. Under Tools, look for the option labeled Inbox and Help Desk. Click to expand it and then select Inboxes. This is where you'll manage and connect all the channels that feed into your conversations inbox. Inside the Inboxes page, look for a button that says Connect a Channel and click it. A pop-up window will appear, showing you the different types of channels you can connect. You'll see options such as team email, chat, forms, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and calling. Choose whichever is appropriate for your business needs. In this tutorial, we'll use team email as an example, since that's one of the most common setups. Once you choose team email, the pop-up will reload and show you the specific email providers you can connect, such as Gmail, Microsoft Outlook, or another email account. For this example, select Gmail. You'll now see an overview screen explaining what to expect when you connect Gmail to HubSpot. Take a moment to quickly read through this so you understand what the connection will do. When you're ready, click Continue. A new browser window or tab will open, prompting you to sign in to your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. After signing in, Google will display the permissions that HubSpot is requesting. Review these carefully so you know what level of access is being granted. If everything looks good, click Continue to confirm and complete the connection. Once the connection is successful, you'll be taken back into HubSpot, where you can customize your email details. Here you can set the from name and address, and configure automatic assignment rules so that incoming conversations are routed to the right users or teams. This step is important for keeping your inbox organized and making sure nothing falls through the cracks. If you want to connect other channels, simply repeat the same basic process. Go back to Inboxes, click Connect a Channel, choose the type of channel you want, and follow the on-screen steps. And that's it. You've learned how to connect a channel to the conversations inbox in HubSpot.